particular painting fell short of that. So, because there are paintings that you do where you're kind of like on a road to discovering, like, where is this going to lead to? But then there's something that you want to shoot for as well, and it's a certain look that you want to shoot for, and you know whether or not you have it by the end of your painting, and you evaluate it, and you think to yourself, what could I have done better? And so all that is to say that this little sketch went a long way in that for me, because I was more satisfied with this sketch than I've been with a lot of stuff that I've done for a while. And it's not a big thing. It's not it's not a big production. I mean, it was just a sketch that I decided to do one night, just before I turned into bed. And but it was also just something with a goal. How am I going to use my materials? How I'm going to use these particular brushes? I'm going to stay away from the smaller brush for right now, so that I can work in more richer color. And then how do I deal with the paints? Being more deliberate about where I put my color. So as I'm building it up, the